How to change notification sound on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Instagram notification sound. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and in here tap on the notifications option. Now scroll down and tap on the Instagram option. Here, as you can see, there are various notifications options, but there is no option for changing the notification sound. However, if you go back and tap on the FaceTime or Messages or any other inbuilt application of Apple, then you will see the option for sounds. And if you tap on the sounds option, then you will be able to change the sound of the inbuilt application of Apple, which also means that Apple does not allow its users to change the sound of any application that has been downloaded from the App Store and only allows to change the sound of the inbuilt applications of Apple. So the Instagram notification sound will be the same that has been set by Apple and cannot be changed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.